This week's economic calendar will be headlined by the release of China inflation and May trade data. In addition, investors will eye South Korea's unemployment rate, Japan's March quarter GDP revision, and India's consumer inflation data. Persistent deflationary pressures have dragged China's inflation lower in recent months, and that trend extended in the month of May as well. Last month, inflation remained largely unchanged from April's 0.1% year-on-year reading. For China's trade, recent forecasts have been tinged with higher than normal uncertainty amid tariff volatility. Markets are looking for export growth to moderate slightly to 6.3%, which would remain a respectable growth rate. And that is broadly in line with the year-to-date growth, with imports expected to remain in the negative on the month. This slowdown of imports and resilience of exports has helped China's trade surplus expand further year-to-date. The unemployment rate in South Korea is expected to have risen modestly to 2.8% in May from 2.7% in April, and that is mainly due to the scaling down of the public work program amid the political confusion. Japan's first quarter GDP revision data will be released this week. A modest upward revision is expected thanks to solid business investment. However, the economy is still expected to contract by 0.1% quarter-on-quarter. After the Reserve Bank of India's surprise jumbo rate cut on Friday, investors will focus on the consumer price inflation data this week. India's easing inflation trend is likely to continue. The disinflation momentum is forecast to continue. Consumer price pressures likely eased further to 3% in May as both food and fuel prices continue to edge lower.